This conference is truly a bridge of knowledge, transfer linking the rest of the developed world and the East African region. It should be known that plastics are the material for the future, and the change in Kenya to this material is the correct transfer of technology. This conference is a fantastic opportunity to capture market trends and to network with the peers of the whole plastic pipes industry in the regions as well as the world. I'm extremely confident that our voluntary commitment to propagate the use of plastic pipes for the transportation of water has enabled us to see a lot more clean water compared to the last decade. The conference is very successful in the exchange of ideas from experts all around the world. It will undoubtedly increase the knowledge and provide for the most sustainable development of the Kenya and East Africa plastic pipe industry.
We here in Kenya have adopted the ISO standard for, in this case, PVC. PVC was the leading plastic pipe here in Kenya to start with. Today we deal with many different plastic pipes. We have the new technologies in the PPR plastic pipes, which will withstand pressures at elevated temperatures, which PVC doesn't. That's one of its disadvantages. As water gets a bit warmer, PVC loses some of its strength and is not applicable. Here in Kenya, we always lean toward PVC as a plastic pressure pipe. Tanzania went more into the polyethylene plastic pipes.
In most cases, as environmentalists, we've not taken plastics as friendly materials in terms of their environmental sustainability. We have seen plastics as materials that persist in the environment. They are not degradable, and therefore this makes them very unfriendly to environmental conservationists. But I want to look at plastics as a part of our environment, and at the end of it, I'll talk about the challenges and what the industry needs to do so that they can be able to conform with the laid down regulations that are there.
All the piping, all the metal piping systems that we were used to have been replaced by plastic piping systems. Provision of clean water remains a big challenge, not only in Kenya, but also in many developing countries as well. And you've listened to the presentation from the Director of Water. I am glad that the organizers of this conference chose a theme that includes this critical area for plastic pipes. At the end of this conference, I am sure that we shall be properly positioned to provide clean water for a cleaner environment, safe gaseous fluid transportation, and sufficient and safe mining industry supply systems using plastic pipes.
The Managing Director in the morning explained some of these services. We offer standardization services where we develop standards, we harmonize standards, we also participate in international standardization processes. Conformity assessment, we do inspection, quality assurance and market surveillance, product system and certification, as well as testing and calibration. Therefore, we do the testing of pipes and fittings, and we also offer training and education, as well as information services.